You've probably heard about no code, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you've tried to build an app, a website, design workflows using tools like Airtable, Make, Notion, Webflow. There are a bunch of tools, right? And if you did, I mean, you'd be right. These tools are absolutely fantastic. They allow you to build fast, efficiently, without all the complex logic that is usually associated to technical languages. But in reality, the more you dig into these tools, the more you're trying to do, the more complex it is going to get, and the more expertise you're going to need in order to make it work. You need to make sure that you have a proper database structure. You need to think about how to modularly construct your workflows. You need to write documentations to not get lost. And all these things combined make it harder for newcomers or new developers to really capture no code and use it very efficiently. One additional problem is that no-code technologies are new. If you take a look at traditional development, it's been there for years. You have a bunch of online resources. A lot of people have asked questions on forums like Stack Overflows, and you can basically find any answer to your problem online. It's not the case for no-code because new tools, new rules, and very few people that learn and know them and can help you with it. And this is why I've decided to create No-Code Moji today, because of all that experience that I've acquired. I really want to share and be able to help no-code developers and newcomers to these technologies get access to downloadable resources, tutorials, and even APIs that you can use within your workflows. My name is Simon. I'm a no-code automation developer at Allegria.group, which is the French leading no-code agency based in Paris. And I get on projects for various clients, websites, automation, obviously, as well as artificial intelligence. And this is something that is really important to me today. Even more so, these two technologies really connect very well together, and you will see it on the resources that you will find on the website. It's very easy to connect the two, right? And so part of the evolution of the website will be towards AI and all the new no-code features that will come up, new tools that will come up, and I'm pretty sure you'll find what you need on that website.